Hello and welcome. This is Nikhil Raj, Course Director for tutormash.com. Today we will learn how to create projects, WBS, activities and its duration in Primavera P6. Before creating a project in Primavera, I request you to watch my previous videos BK07 and BK08 because the steps that I mentioned in those videos must be followed before you create a project in Primavera. So what's a project? According to PMBOK 5th edition, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. And WBS is the process of subdividing project deliverables and project work into smaller and more manageable components. Look at this project, renovation of residential building. To do this project, we have divided it into exterior renovation and interior renovation. These are called as WBS level 1, or we can call it as deliverables. To do exterior renovation, we have divided it into again landscaping and painting. And to do interior renovation, we divided it into flooring and interior decor. These are called as level 2 WBS, and as it is the last WBS, we call it as work packages. So in construction, we normally use up to 7 WBS levels. And the last level is called as work package and others are called as deliverables. Now look at landscaping. To do landscaping work package, we have certain works that need to be done. That is level the land, lay flooring, tiles and artificial grass. This is called as activities in a project. Similarly, we have to do finish exterior walls and paint the wall to complete the painting work packages. Same thing goes for flooring and interior decor. These red color rectangles are called as activities. So hope you understood the difference between projects, WBS and activities. Now, when you create a project in Primavera, there are 3 important things that need to be checked while creating projects, WBS and activities. Once you create the project in Primavera, select the project and look at the detail window. Here, go to dates and make sure that the plan start and the data date should be same. After that, click on defaults and check the calendar. After that, open the project and go to WBS window and check all the names that you have given is under WBS name column, because many people do mistake by giving name under WBS code. After creating project, open the project and create one activity and enter 1 day duration and check your activities are following your calendar time. If not, there is a chance of fractional duration. So make sure you have done this step before you key in all the activities. Now let's open Primavera and do the same example with WBS and activities. Click on Projects. Then go to File and press New button. Now a new wizard will appear showing Create a new project. The first page of this wizard is asking you to select the EPS. EPS means you need to select under which department the new project is. So you can click on this browse button and choose the EPS. So I'll choose high rise building and press select. After that, click on next. And in this window, you need to give the project ID and project name. So let's say the project ID is RRB 2015 and the project name is renovation of residential building. Then press next. And in this window, you need to select the planned start of the project. Make sure the time is active. If the time is not displaying in your window, you can go to edit and set the user preferences to show time. Now the planned project start is on May 25. Let's assume the project plan start is on May 25. According to my calendar, the start time is 8 AM. So choose 8 AM and press select, then go next. And in this window, you need to choose the project manager or responsible manager for this project. You can choose it from the OBS you have already created. Click here and choose who you want to manage this project. Then go to next. And here you can choose the assignment rate type. In Primavera, you can give around 5 different price units or rate type to a particular resources. So by default it is price per unit, and normally we use price per unit. So you can choose price per unit and press next. So that's it, you have done with creating the new project. Press finish. Now you can see a project is created under high-rise building department. Here you can see the icon, it is showing a folder icon which is opened. Others are closed. So if you want to open or close the project, you can go to file and choose close all. This will close all the projects in your portfolio. After that, if you want to open it, you can just go to the project and right click and press open project. Whenever you open the project, it goes to activities. Now it's time to create the WBS. So choose WBS icon. WBS window is open now. You can see the projects here. You can press add button to create a new WBS. So here you can see WBS code and WBS name. I'm going to rename the WBS name as exterior renovation and interior renovation. Now under exterior renovation we got landscaping and painting. So highlight exterior renovation, press add button, again press add button and use this move button. Landscaping, painting. Similarly under interior renovation we got flooring and interior decor. So press add and again use intent. So you have done with creating the WBS. If you want to display your WBS in chart, you can simply click on this icon, chart view, you can see, and to go back you can press table view. After that click on activities. Once you reach activities, you can see your WBS is showing in a wrong manner because this is a bug in Primavera. If you want to get rid of this bug, you can just right click here, go to group and sort, just check on ID code, press apply, uncheck ID code and press OK. Now you can see the bug has removed. Now we will create activities. Just highlight the landscaping, work package and press add. So there are 3 activities. First one is level the land. Second one is lay flooring tile. Third one is artificial grass. And under painting we got 2 activities. Just press add. Finish exterior, remove old tile. So we have done with creating the activities. After creating activities, you can give duration. So I have told you in the slides that first create the activity and just give the duration as 1 day. Why we are doing this? Because we can see that 1 day in your project means 25th May, that is the project starting date. It's starting from 8 AM and will finish by 5 PM. That means your activity is following your project calendar. So once you're done with this check, you can give duration for all the activities. Let's assume that 10 days, lay flooring day is again 10 days, artificial grass is 5 days, decorate interior is again 8 days. So this is how we give duration to all the activities. So that's how we create the projects, WBS and activities. Go to projects and check the calendar that you're using. Just highlight the project and go to dates and check these two dates are same. After that, go to defaults and check the calendar is your project calendar. So this check is very important before you create activities. So hope you understand how to create projects, WBS and activities. Thank you.